The day when Brit left the hotel without them even know. I see him come on live again. I tell the whole on up on TikTok say Brit video everything, the room, everything. She don't trust nobody. And me hear you come on live and talk about when you put the worm in a Brit. And Brit did nervous and what? Una cloud chaser. And it just hurt me. Say, una take advantage of her. It just hurt me. Say, yeah, take advantage of the little girl. Clout, yeah, do this for. All clout. And it's sad. And it's not funny. Me never ever laugh to nothing what him and Brit do on the internet. Because it's not funny. Me not find it funny. Everything wanna take for joke. One another start take life serious. And everything what is joke to you is dead to a next person. Una always say me too serious. I'm supposed to be that way. Because me not gonna make someone feel like someone can come disrespect me and talk to me a certain way and step. No, bro. Me gotta always stand up for myself and no one cannot walk over me. Una take everything for a joke. Me not find it funny none at all what that boy I do to her. Me don't find it funny. And he's not okay with her. It not right for them. Can't do that. It's not funny. The whole on sit down on boots and a boots. Me not like that. Hello? Me not like them something there. I wanna smoke and drink around her and them look something there. I wanna not take care of the girl and that is not taking care of her. Everybody depend. Me read no comments, you know. Oh, Brit, you still want some company. Oh, Brit. I wanna lead, I wanna peg them on to them each other. I wanna take everything for joke. Everything I wanna take for joke. I know most of them say, oh, no, the Brit. She alright. She this, she that. You know what somebody from the community tell me say? I talk to somebody from down there. Them say, Shay, you see when Brittany was Brittany Goffe, she live in a one era, she no walk down the road there. Them say like she live right here so, she never walk down there. Them can never see her down there so. The people them say no, or them know say Brittany is not herself. When them say Brittany start walk down on the road, they normally she go that way. And she start to walk that way. I saw them tell me. Them say you could never catch her walk down on the road there. In the community part she live. She walk up and when them started she walk down, them I said, no man. She not alright. Him that the boy they not Brit type. Wally, them tell me that. Them said that the boy is not Brit type. I saw you know say Brit not in her right mind. It's not fear type that. It's not her type. Cause when I talk to the person, them say Shay, Brittany man, them have rich and have money. And a fear type of man them there. You have to drive big vehicle. Money man. Me hear the boy come on live come say, me used to look Brit and she never look for me. And some me know say I take advantage of her. Because you come and say you used to look Brit, but you never used to look pa you. So you're supposed to know, say, Brit not in her right mind if she look pa you now. Me listen everything. Let me tell you something. So me listen to one wanna talk. Me listen to understand, not listen to hear. When me hear him come on live, come say, me used to look Brit and Brit not look pa me. What I tell you say, what I really tell you say, Brit don't in her right mind because you're not Brit type. Trust me, you really are not Brit type. So you're supposed to know, say, listen, the girl not in her right mental state. When me hear him say that, it shocked me. Me not watch him live, a screen record, me say. Me not watch none of him live, them. A screen record, me see. And when me listen to the screen record and him say, me used to look Brit, and Brit no look for me. I say, what? What? So if you used to look Brit, that tell us say, Brit is not, you're not Brit type. But now you realize that you're not in a right state of mind, so now you're running. No, you're running.
So access denied. At least she's coming outside. Coming outside here.
No, you're running.
I said at least she's coming outside.
Who access denied say at least she's coming outside, she's trying. Trying
People
what?
like you.
Trying what?
People like you were over there.
Trying what? Access denied? Trying what? A people like Uno, what me just talked about a while ago. Uno.
As a female,
people like Uno as a female, I got type something like that.
Low, that you really think say that boy, where when you write off a car is like that you put on him head, and that face them.
Being miserable? What you mean being miserable? Brit is not miserable.
The miserable
girl, you not get you just.
Because if you see a mad person on the street and you see him eat out of a garbage pan, he's an adult. But if he was in his right mind frame, he would know that him only you wouldn't eat out of it and you and I wouldn't eat out of it because we are okay challenging the brain. But the person that is eating out of it have a disability. So she does have a disability and he's taking advantage of her. She doesn't know better at this time. And it's gonna drive her more over the edge whenever she start coming together. What about if he hurts her? Earth start coming to it, disrespecting her. He should be showing certain things on the media and all of that. That's just for clout. Somebody needs to step in with the authority and get this child some help legally. And, she's a nice person. I had a cousin, was like this, and Brit is looking just like her. I'm going to tell you this. The psychiatrist told us if she doesn't get what she wants, she's gonna die. And she did kill herself. She did. She tried many times. So this is what happened. If they don't get what they want, it's gonna lead to that, especially when people sexually take advantage of them, because that's what happened to my cousin. She was sexually taken advantage of, and it drive her even more over the board at the state that she was. She even died when she was 6 months pregnant. You understand? And that was even for a billionaire she was pregnant for. So if she wanted to be alive, say, hey, I'm pregnant for a billionaire, happily, she would. But it's the depression. It does not move the depression. And he's taking advantage of her. And his family should have said, hey, you're doing wrong. His family should have even said, let me take her to get some elevation if you really care about her. So we take care of her so you two have a mental, stable relationship. No, this is not happening. Advantage. This girl, how long Brit is into her clothes for the day? Does he care to change her clothes? Does he care to feed her well? Does he care to take her shopping or whatever, do some? No, he's and he's very disrespectful. He's very disrespectful.
Very.
I don't care what nobody want to say. I'm not judging his looks or anything, but his mouth is very nasty.
Very nasty.
Very disrespectful. So do you think that he's gonna respect her? Do you think that he will ever respect her? No, he respect what he is doing, what he is getting. It's
You
just for
come on
clout.
TikTok, but guys, send for Nicki Minaj to me. Guys, send for Blam them. Tell him say me want one lion because I want carry Brit
As
so.
I say, it's
Guys,
just
tell
for
Nicki Minaj.
clout.
What is this?
It's just
What
for
is all of
clout.
this?
Right? Because she has so many other people, male could have taken advantage of her, but they know that she's not in the right frame of mind to do it. You understand? So take her, get her some elevation, let her make a decision, date her for a while, date her for a period. I'm not using you, I'm not just looking sex, I care about you. We are not ready for this stage yet. Let's take it slowly, day by day. No, all quickie was inside of her underwear. Oh, quick. That's not care. That's not love. That's pleasure. Sex pleasure. That's advantage. Come on, people. Sexual advantage. Says she doesn't have to be a minor. She is mentally challenged. She is being abused sexually. You understand? So you people need to look on the discriminatory of that. Sexual abuse
And
of a
then
challenged person.
And then him come on live, and the whole of the comments are laugh like it's funny when him a talk about, yeah, I'm a wiggle the word, me nar. And
That
what the
even
fuck,
that.
bro?
You can't care about
What I
somebody and
do?
love somebody and come and talk about your privacy of sexual behind door and that's not something that people really come on the media and talk about. The only sexual that you're supposed to talk on the media if you feel comfortable and pleased, if you have been sexually abused and you want to put it out to the world. But if you and somebody is into a relationship like that, you don't do that. You have no respect for yourself nor the person. You don't have no respect for sex. You're immature, right? You only want to look big. You want to look like a world boss or top of the
Yeah.
line or number one ranking. That's what